students, we are moving to the preposition of movement. Always remember, preposition of movement are not as confusing as preposition of time and place. It is less abstract. It is not convoluted. It is not unassuming. It is not rigid. Okay? Preposition of movement virtually tells about something or someone move from one place to another. Something or someone moves from one place to the another. It is called as the preposition of movement. Now where it is used, we will see. To is the most common preposition of movement. Most commonly used preposition of movement is to. He has gone on vacation to France. Where? To France, from one place to the another. It will go, I will go to bed when I am tired. Go to bed when I am from one place to the another. Through, across, off, down and into. All these are preposition of movement. Across refers to move from one side to another. One side to another, then across is used. Like Rebecca and Judy are swimming across the lake. Rebecca and Judy are swimming across the lake. Through refers to moving directly inside something and out of the other end. Through means refers to directly inside something and out of the other end. Means you directly move into something and gets out to the other end. Like the train passes through the tunnel. Train goes into the tunnel from one side and gets outside other. Through is used. Into, entering or looking inside. Into is used in entering or looking inside something. For example, James went into the room. Into the room. Through the tunnel. Across the swimming pool. Up, over, down, past and around indicate direction of movement. All these are preposition of movement. Always remember, prepositions are very important part. Like adverb, like the verb, like the tenses, noun, pronoun, adjective, conjunction. Preposition are usually of 6 letters or less. Preposition can't be bigger than more than 6 letters. This is a very important point to identify the preposition. They are always of maximum of 6 letters or minimum of 2 letters. And preposition is a thing which can go up, down, here, there, into, across, on, upon, like this, on it, like this. These all are preposition. Now we will understand the relation of preposition with noun. This is preposition of movement. Thank you very much, my dear students.